Welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to share your Canva design with other people so you can collaborate and edit together in real time. Whether you're working on a school project, business presentation, social media design, or team project, Canva makes collaboration quick and simple. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open the design you want to share in Canva. Once your design is open, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the Share button. A sharing window will appear. In the People with Access field, type the email address of the person you want to collaborate with. You can add one person or multiple collaborators depending on your project. Next, click the drop-down menu beside their name and choose Can Edit. This allows the other person to make changes to the design, add elements, edit text, and collaborate with you directly inside Canva. If you'd like, you can also include a short custom message before sending the invitation. This can help explain what the project is about or what changes you want them to make. Once everything looks good, click the Share button to send the invitation. Now, let's look at what happens on the other person's side. Ask your collaborator to log into their Canva account. After logging in, they should click the notification bell icon at the top of the screen. There, they'll see the shared design invitation. Once they open it, they'll instantly have access to edit the design with you. That's how easy it is to share and collaborate on Canva designs. Working together in real time can save time and make teamwork much more efficient. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, share, and check out more tutorials for simple Canva tips and tricks.